A while ago, I saw this viral video about a hummingbird bath. They called it Hummingbird Pool Party. Link in description. And then there's Robbie from Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy, and she's just having the best time making all these fountains and bird baths for hummingbird feeders. And she makes it look so easy. She gives you like tips and stuff. And these are just a few of the fountain bird baths that she's made. And she and Gary have a really impressive garden. So I got inspired for Mother's Day. I made my mom a fountain. And here it is in action.
I think that the pump could be a little bit more powerful than this one. But my mom made a deal with me and she said that I had to use materials that are from around here. I can't go buy anything. I have to have everything on hand. So I super glued magnets. There's actually another magnet underneath and it's mobile. So you can like move it all the way around, and it's just so like, you know, if this thing falls, it'll come apart instead of breaking off. And under here, holes, and under here is a hole, and that is how she works. So happy Mother's Day to my mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And happy Mother's Day to all those moms out there. I know this will upload a few days late because I'm finishing the project a few days late. Typical. That's pretty cool. I don't know how you could, you know, not be inspired to make one of these. I might make more. Take care, y'all.